If your hair is becoming dry, rough, frizzy, or breaking more than usual, then buying another expensive shampoo is probably not the solution. The real reason most people fail to fix damaged hair is because they ignore the habits that are damaging it every single day. Strong, healthy hair is not built by products alone. It is built by protecting your hair from damage and giving it what it needs to grow properly. In this video, I will show you 4 practical steps that can help improve your hair health faster and more effectively. Step number 1. Stop overwashing your hair. Most guys wash their hair every single day. Sounds clean, right? Wrong. Washing too often strips away natural oils that protect your hair. That's why your hair feels dry and weak. Try washing your hair only 2 to 3 times per week and let your scalp do its job. Step number 2. Fix your water temperature. Hot showers feel amazing, but your hair hates them. Hot water removes moisture and makes hair brittle. Use lukewarm water while washing and finish with a cool rinse. It helps seal the hair cuticle and keeps your hair smoother and shinier. Step number 3. Improve your nutrition. Hair is made primarily of protein. If your diet lacks protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, your hair becomes weaker over time. Focus on foods like eggs, fish, nuts, fruits, and vegetables. These provide the nutrients your hair follicles need to produce stronger and healthier strands. Step number 4. Reduce heat damage. Hair dryers, straighteners, and excessive heat slowly destroy hair health. If possible, let your hair air dry. If you must use heat, keep it on a low setting, and don't hold it in one spot for too long. The less stress you put on your hair, the faster it can recover. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.